Hey everyone, it's Katarina, and we're about to get started with the fun stuff. So I want you to go to ideogram.ai. Remember, you signed up for that. And then I want you to just sign in. So I'm just going to use Google. And it signed me right in, okay? Now, what we want to do is we want to create a prompt and have it generate a prompt that we can customize. So I've given you a huge file of prompts that you can use. They're all Christmas style that you can just copy and paste into here. So what the file is going to look like is, it's going to look like this, okay? So right now we're doing personalized snowmen. And what you want to do, okay, is click here. And then I want you to copy it. So you can copy it by going to Edit, Copy. And then you're going to go back to Ideogram. And we're going to paste it in. And I do that on Mac by hitting Command V. I think if you're on a PC, it's probably Control V. But this is the way I do it. So Command V. And this is going to give you the prompts. So over here it says child's name. Now you don't want to put child's name. You want to put the name of your child, right? So we're going to delete that, but keep those two little quotes in there. And we're going to put in the word, let's say it's John, okay? And then it's going to give us a coloring page, Christmas style. Put in no color because we are doing a coloring page, right? Full body view because that's what I want, but you could just do a face view. You could do whatever you want here. Snowman holding a sign with John written on it, okay? And you always want to put the word that you want or the name that you want in these little quotes. I always give it big, adorable eyes. It's important that you're specific with the features, okay? With the face, with the eyes, with the hands. It's getting better and better with AI, but it's not perfect. So give it as much help as you can. Surrounded by snowflakes and stars, fantasy, magical, mystical, black and white. Wavy lines, black and white coloring book page for kids. Thin lines, outline art, isolated on a white background, okay? I know it sounds complicated, it's not. And like I said, I'm giving you a ton of these that you just copy and paste in. And you just change the name. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit generate. And I've got the pro account, so it's gonna be a little faster for me. But for you, it might take a little longer because you have the free account. And that's okay, you're gonna get it done. So we're just waiting. I'm at 56% right now. 70%, 83%, 96%. And look what it did. Isn't that cute? And that's how easy this is to do. Now in the next one, I'm going to go into more specifics, but I wanted you to know that it is as easy as copying and pasting in some of my prompts and just modifying them a little bit to get something as cool as this as a coloring page. All right, I'll be back again in another video showing you some more prompts, how to use them, and how to fix them if it doesn't go exactly the way you want.